Hello students, welcome to my channel Maths with Panu. Today we will discuss about the concept of profit and loss. So to understand this concept, first of all we should know what is the cost price. Cost price of a thing is that price at which any type of article is purchased. Okay, and the next concept is selling price of that price of an article or a thing at which any type of thing or article is sold. Okay, sometimes when we purchase a thing and sell a thing, then between this process we have some profit and some loss. Now these two concepts are there that we have to discuss in this video. Okay, so suppose that students, you have to purchase a car. We can take an example of a car. Suppose that we have purchased a car and the cost of car is about, suppose that 50,000 rupees. Okay, and we have to repair about of this car, and for the repairing work we have to spend about 4,000 on it. Okay, so now our total cost is that, so we have to add these two concepts, and total cost price of the car is 54,000 rupees. Now this person sell this car for about 80,000 rupees. Okay, now listen very carefully. A person purchased a car for 4,000 rupees and he spent on its repair work 4,000 more. So we add these two prices, and in this way we get our cost price. For the selling price, he sell his car for 80,000 rupees. So to find the profit or loss, we have to see that if the selling price is greater than cost price, then in this condition we have mainly profit, or you can say that gain. Okay, if you have the condition that your selling price is less than, sorry, your cost price is less than your selling price, then the condition is same, means in the both conditions we have selling price is greater than cost price. In both these condition we have the profit. And if we have the opposite condition, means selling price is less than cost price, then we have the loss. Okay, so in this condition cost price is greater than its selling price, we have this condition. So in this case we have the profit. And how we can find the profit of the car? The formula of profit or gain is equal to selling price minus cost price. So selling price is 80,000 rupees and cost price is 54,000 rupees. Okay, now we have to subtract these two quantities, and by subtracting it we get 26,000 rupees. Okay, now if we have to find the profit percent also, so you can apply the formula of profit percent. The formula of profit percent is that if we have to find the profit percent, then we have to write the profit in the denominator and cost price in the numerator, and we have to multiply it by 100. Okay, now our profit is 26,000. Okay, and cost price is 54,000, you can see. And by cancelling the zeros in this way, and after cancelling it we get 260 upon 540 multiply by 100. Okay, you can cancelling it, and you can cancel it on the table of 2. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are, and you getting your profit percent. After calculating it, you get your profit percent. Okay, so this is the method of the profit. And students, if you have the another case, as I have told you, that if cost price is greater than your selling price, then in this case you have loss. And to find the loss, you have to subtract the cost price minus selling price. And to find the loss percent, you have to write here loss, as you have write here profit in the previous formula. You have to write here loss upon cost price multiply by 100. Okay, and in the same example, suppose that if he sell his car not for 80,000 but for 50,000, okay, then he have the loss because he purchase it, and he purchase it for 54,000. Total purchasing cost is 54,000 and the selling price is 50,000. Then obviously if we subtract 50,000 from 54,000, then we get the loss of 4,000. Okay, and in this case, if we have to write our loss as 4,000, and we have to write the cost price as 54,000, and in this way, by cancelling and by solving it, you get your loss percent. After calculating it, you get your complete answer. Okay, in this way you can cancel it and you get your loss percent. So students, this is the formula that how we can find the profit and loss percent. Suppose that if you have the three if you have not the three quantities, and in the multiple choice question sometimes you can see in your exam that if you are not given the one quantity between the three, like if you have the formula of loss, you have studied here, that is cost price minus selling price. Okay, and suppose that if you have to given the loss is equal to 600 rupees. Okay, and you are not given the cost price, and you have to given the selling price is 200 sorry 1000 rupees. Okay, so how we can find the cost price? This is an objective type questions and basic questions. So for this we have to put all the three values in our formula, and the formula we have to put the value of loss. First of all, loss is 600 rupees and cost price we are not given, and the selling price is 1000 rupees. Okay, when you take this digit on the left hand side, then you have to add both these numbers, and in this way you get your cost price 1600. So students, you can see that the cost price is greater than your selling price, and obviously in this condition you get the loss. And if you have to find the loss percent, then you apply the same formula as we have applied earlier, and you can write here loss upon cost price multiply by 100. Okay, and students, we have some other formulas. Suppose that you have to find the, suppose that you have the loss percent like 10%, and you have not the loss, you are not given the loss, and the cost price is suppose that you have 600 and you have to multiply by 100. Then a loss percent means you are given 10%, then you need not write to here 10%, and after calculating it you get the loss also. Okay, so by solving it you get the loss. As we have to solve it by cancelling zeros with zeros in the denominator, and multiply 10 by 6, you get your loss, and loss is 60 rupees. Okay, so in this way you get many type of basic questions of profit and loss, and we will discuss in my next videos. Thank you so much.